Continuing on at Fulton Street, system number 1. So you can see I'm on the second from the bottom platform. Now it looks like now the platform below, the lowest one, looks like it's been added more recently. It has square hex head bolts, and the construction looks a little bit newer, but you can see everything's looking good, all painted. Connections at the stringer clips look good. And again, it would have been nice to see some of that removed, but I don't think that might just be some cement from stucco. But the connections are looking good. So you can see along here. So this was a fairly new system. You can see here, this is square head bolts. I'm sorry, hex head bolts. Hex head bolts. You might want to add another picket here so nobody can fall through there, but it's not really in the direction of travel. The welds here, but I think these are holding up pretty well. So the only thing, I could pass this today except what we want to see. I don't know if this ladder has been serviced recently. I don't see a sticker on it. So we're going to pass this today pending service on the ladder, make sure it's greased, cable's good and operating properly. Cable looks to be in good order, but I don't see any stickers. So we're going to make a recommendation that that be serviced. So again, that's going to complete this inspection. I'm going to go back to system number 2. But this is Alan Toll, Fire Escape Engineers. If you have any questions, 866-649-0333.